communication is the other, decision making, time management. So these are very smaller. So when I say you need to manage a particular event, say an IPL or a FIFA, how do you manage, what goes behind managing? And when I say auctions, we do auctions which are similar to IPL auctions. So basically students are the ones who are bidding for the players. The players are the one who are doing getting the same medal tallies at what the boys are getting at the Olympic podium. So the dynamics of the industry are now changing.
नमस्कार, मी ॲडव्होकेट नीरा धाडगे, फाउंडर ऑफ पुणे वुमन्स क्लब, तुमचं सहर्ष स्वागत करत आहे पॉडकास्ट विथ नीरामध्ये. इतक्या छान विषयांवर मला आज बोलायला मिळतंय, त्याच्यामुळे मी खरंच खूप खुश आहे. आणि तुम्हाला या सगळ्या विषयांची मला ओळख करून देता येत आहे, त्यामुळे मी खूप धन्यवाद मानते या प्लॅटफॉर्मचा, जो की आम्ही आता तुमच्यासाठी क्रिएट केलेला आहे. खूप छान वाटतंय जेव्हा वेगळ्या वेगळ्या इंडस्ट्रीचे लोक येतात, त्यांच्या स्वतःबद्दल सांगतात, त्यांच्या आतापर्यंतच्या जर्नीबद्दल सांगतात आणि तिथून आपल्याला काहीतरी शिकायला मिळतं. आज आपल्या बरोबर आहेत तन्वी लुनावत मैम. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम आपको यहाँ पे देख के. आप स्पोर्ट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात करने वाले हो एंड वी आर रियली ग्लैड टू हैव यू. प्लीज आप हमारी ऑडियंस को आपकी जान पहचान करके दीजिए.
So I am Tanvi Lunawat, Director of Operations at the Institute of Sports Science and Technology, Pune. What is Institute of Sports Science and Technology? We are a sports education institute. When I say a sports education institute, we do not teach sports, cricket, football, but we teach what goes beyond cricket and football. So when I say you need to manage a particular event, say an IPL or a FIFA, how do you manage, what goes behind managing those? So to learn all those aspects, we have degree programs that we conduct at ISST, which is a BSc Sports Management or a MBA Sports Management, along with BSc Sports Science and MSc Sports Science. So basically sports education that goes into two verticals, management and sciences. So we are catering to both the education platforms. And ISST is one of the leading sports education institutes in India today, which provides these courses. So when I talk about ISST, sports is close to everybody. Either you play sports or you watch sports. Yes. So through ISST, we are trying to make education more simple and possible by giving these degree programs to our students. So yeah, that's all about ISST in short.
मला हे जाणून घ्यायला पण आवडेल तन्वी, की तू या क्षेत्रामध्ये कशी आलीस, किंवा खूप वेळा असं असतं की मुलींना जास्त स्पोर्ट्समध्ये इंटरेस्ट असतो असं म्हटलं जातं. आता तशी परिस्थिती नाही आहे, पण तुझा स्वतःचा इंटरेस्ट ह्या स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्रीबद्दल किंवा टेक्नॉलॉजी बद्दल कसा आला?
So like you rightly said की मुली इतकं स्पोर्ट्स खेळत नाही, but when we talk about sports education, not only girls, not only boys but girls and everybody who are inclined towards sports can be a part of it. And I think I want to also correct you at one place that you said that मुली एवढ्या करत नाही, but in today's time girls are equally participating more along with boys, hand in hand, getting the same medal tallies at what the boys are getting at the Olympic podium. So the dynamics of the industry are now changing. Yes. And having said that, yes, I am a BE IT by profession. And I got married to Dr. Vipul Lunawat, who is the founder director at ISST Pune. And I used to just, be a part of what he is doing eventually in the early years. But later the interest started, getting into me, and I started as a visiting faculty at MIT Pune first, then followed by ISST, teaching sports management subjects. And eventually the interest was growing so much that, today I'm the director of operations, handling all the classroom operations at ISST. Not only teaching students about what goes into sports, but I'm handling everything, their entire journey at ISST, right from their admission to their placement, which talks about everything. The in-house internships that we are doing. Our students are going for a lot of internships outside. IPL, Pro Kabaddi, National Games, Khelo India. You name the sport, you name the tournament, and our students are being a part of those industry. So I take care of this entire journey end to end for all the students.
बहुत बार हम लोग जब ये सब कुछ देखते हैं तब स्किल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहते हैं, तो उस पे आईएसटी कैसे काम कर रहा है?
So a very good question, Neera. I feel the generations that we are dealing today are a little bit different generation. We do not have same conventional and orthodox teaching methodologies that we had for previous generations. At ISST, we focus more on building a student profile. When I say student profile, one is when they learn a lot, when they practically go in the industry with a lot of internships. And second is the skill building. So when I say skills, it's the most important aspect today, I feel, that any student should have, and not just one skill. It has to be multiple skills, because as a placement officer, I understand that the industry today needs people who are multitaskers. They need multiple skills. So at ISST, what we do is we do a lot of in-house internships, and we ensure that the student is doing a lot of skill building. So for example, social media or editing or videography, photography. I mean, this is like a very basic
Yes,
need
thing now.
of today's generation. So maybe a lot of students know how to do it, but then we make sure that they know it, because today at any organization they go, they could probably use those skills. Then communication is the other, decision making.
Yes.
Time management. So these are very smaller skills. So we kind of do a lot of events. For example, I want to like to highlight this, that ISST does a ISST Sports League, which is a multi-sport event. So it is a event initiated, conceptualized, executed, and played by students. So we do auctions. And when I say auctions, we do auctions which are similar to IPL auctions. So basically, students are the ones who are bidding for the players. The players are the one who are doing. So how to strategize, how to make sure that they built up a right team. So when they actually learn this hands-on, they learn a lot of skills. So we create a lot of such events at ISST through our in-house internships, which students are a part of, and we make sure that they are building up a lot of skills through this entire process.
You have a degree program as well. We would love to hear about it.
So we are affiliated to Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth. So our degree programs are UGC recognized degree programs. So yes, Tirak ISST is the technical knowledge partner for them. We run the entire program at ISST, and Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth has always been supportive to all our degree programs. Yeah.
बहुत बार स्पोर्ट्स जब हम लोग सीखने की कोशिश करते हैं तो बहुत सारे आइडल हमारे साथ मतलब देखने के लिए मिलते हैं। जैसे फुटबॉल में बहुत सारे लोग हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं, या फिर क्रिकेट में हम लोग विराट कोहली को फॉलो करते हैं। तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
आई थिंक जैसे मैंने बोला कि नॉट एवरीबडी प्लेज स्पोर्ट्स, बट एवरीबडी फॉलोज और वॉचेस सम और द अदर स्पोर्ट्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ आइडल्स, लाइक यू सेड विराट कोहली और MS Dhoni. Or for football, you say a Messi or a Ronaldo. So at ISST, what we believe is we try to make education simple when we take examples of these great idols. Because the moment you relate to your idol, the learning becomes simple. अगर मैं आपको कोई example धोनी या विराट कोहली के नाम से लेके दूंगी कि उसने ये किया था, the students immediately say, अरे मैम ये मैच में ये हुआ था, yes ma'am, now I know how it works. So basically we are trying to make education more simpler through sports and examples into sports.
Yes, yes. बहुत अच्छी तरह से आप ये सब कुछ हमें बता रहे हो। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मुझे आपको पूछना है, what are the objects and what are your future goals?
So at ISST, I personally feel ISST is very personal to me. I feel that every student who comes at ISST, I don't want to make him sports industry ready. I want to make him life ready. So when you make anybody life ready, I think they're just ready for life and ready to conquer the world. That's my ultimate objective. So this is what I personally feel for every student who comes at ISST.
Okay, okay. And the future plans of ISST?
So ISST today we are in Pune. We are planning to launch our ISST degree programs in Navi Mumbai, Kharghar. So yes, we can only do this, and this is only possible because there is a lot of scope for sports in India today. India is already hosting the Commonwealth 2030 games and is bidding for Olympics 2036. So looking at such mega events coming to India, I think there are a lot of opportunities which are available in the sports industry today. And anybody who thinks of making a career into sports, this is the right time to jump into this, because the moment industry has a lot of potential, there'll be a lot of growth. And I think you should be able to capitalize on that.
थैंक यू सो मच तन्वी, आज हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से आपसे बात करी एंड यस, विल डेफिनेटली स्प्रेड अ वर्ड दैट यू आर डूइंग दिस. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग.
Thank you so much.